Hi, today we'll be talking about a potential strategic action that Alphabet segment Google Cloud could take in the future. So, in order to stay competitive, Google Cloud needs to remain innovative. In 2019, Google announced that it had reached quantum superiority through their quantum computer. This computer has the capability to solve even the most complex problems that current supercomputers can't solve. Although they have this quantum technology, they do not have a place to store its data or to allow other outside users to tap into this machine. So here's where IBM comes in. In 2016, IBM created a quantum computer with the ability to be on the cloud. So this system is run on the cloud and it allows people to tap into the network and run problems on it remotely. Right now, IBM claims that Google's test of their quantum computer was useless because the test itself was, in their words, meaningless. So IBM seems to be aiming for a different end goal than Google, something that IBM calls their quantum advantage. So the end goal for their two quantum computers are different, but how they store data and how they let users use this database shouldn't be different. These two companies are the leading corporations in quantum technology, and instead of being rivals on that front, they could potentially gain more by forming an alliance. Um, the future of this world is remote technology, and if Google Cloud could potentially partner with IBM, um, they could potentially improve upon this cloud, and then together they could be extremely successful. This would follow the pathway of borrowing, like I said before, forming an alliance specifically. And this pathway allows for temporary access to a targeted resource. In this case, is the quantum computer cloud with more flexible terms and an extremely lower price than building one in-house for Google. Um, Following the resource pathway model, as mentioned before, there is low resource tradability, and then honestly, I think that their desired closeness with IBM would probably be on the lower side, just because they do have different end goals for their quantum computing needs. Um, so again, that leads to the align section in our borrow pathway. And so having access to this quantum computing cloud could provide Google with a really valuable resource of allowing workers or even users to tap into this network to run complex problems that could be solved in minutes. Um, and Google Cloud needs to provide users with a way to store slash use their quantum computer, and partnering with IBM could be a cost-effective solution to do.